Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's doing good. Today I am showing you how I made this spring floral arrangement using materials from Dollar Tree. For this flower arrangement, you're going to need one flower pot, and I picked this one up at Dollar Tree, and it's just plastic. You're going to need some twine or nautical rope, and you'll need quite a bit of it. Mine came from the hardware store. You're going to need some foam from Dollar Tree. You're going to need your scissors, wire cutters, your hot glue gun, and glue sticks. And you're also going to need some floral picks. I used a total of 15 floral picks for this flower arrangement. And I picked most all the floral picks up at Dollar Tree. First, you're going to hot glue your twine onto your flower pot. So I just added a little bit of hot glue, then placed the twine in it. You might want to wear the hot glue finger guards for this flower arrangement. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. And I just went around in a circle, adding a little bit of hot glue every so often, placing the twine in it, trying to make sure that I kept it nice and tight and going around straight. So it takes a little bit of time to do, but it turns out really pretty. And I saw someone advertise a flower pot a lot like this that Target has out new, and it was like $12 or $14. So you can make this one for a couple dollars. It's very simple to do. It just takes a little bit of time, so you might want to grab a cup of coffee and turn on a movie while you're doing this. So just cover the entire flower pot. Now when I got to the very bottom, I stopped. I didn't go any further because I wanted to make sure the flower pot would sit level. And then I took some Dollar Tree foam and I cut it in half. Before I added the foam, I added some rocks to weight the flower pot down. Now I'm just adding some hot glue to the bottom of the foam and going to place it on top of the rocks and hold it for a little while and let it dry. We also cut a few smaller pieces to wedge in to make the flower pot nice and full with foam. And then here's the tags off of the floral picks we used from Dollar Tree. I used a total of 9 floral picks from Dollar Tree. So you'll want to take your flowers and fluff them. And so I took one and put it on the left, fluff the next one, I put it on the right, and kind of put the floral pick in kind of at an angle into the foam. And just make sure you fluff them. And I did one in the front and then one in the back. If I would have had 5 of these lavender or fuzzy lavender picks, I would have put the 5th one in the center, but I'm just using what I had in my stash. And now I'm taking the taller pink flowers and adding them to the center. And then now I'm taking some succulents that I picked up at Dollar Tree and kind of placing them around the bottom, because I kind of want them to be the star of the arrangement. Even though they're not tall, they're really pretty. When I was cleaning up my mess, I found another succulent that I'd forgotten and left in the Dollar Tree bag, but that's okay. So this is how it looks. I'd first put the purple one kind of more toward the back, but I moved it more toward the left front. And then these fuzzy lavender picks came from Walmart. I ran out of the Dollar Tree ones, so I used 4 from Walmart. So I kind of just went in between the 4 original fuzzy lavender picks and placed the Walmart ones in. They're just about the same. There might be a little bit fuller, but just make sure you fluff them each time. And if you have some moss, I don't want you to go out and buy it because I'm just using what I have in my stash too. I think it would have been prettier maybe to have covered the foam with some moss before I got started. And then I wanted to add some more greenery. It just wasn't full enough. So I'm taking this little boxwood pick and just cutting it into smaller pieces and adding it around at the bottom. Now this pick also came from Walmart and it was $1.47. And so I'm kind of putting it at the bottom and kind of folding it a little bit or bending it a little bit more down so it kind of drapes just a little bit. If you have extra succulents at home, I think it would be really pretty to do them all the way around the whole circle of the bottom of the flower pot. Now I just used what I had, but they're so pretty and they're from Dollar Tree, so that way, you know, you could walk around it, put it on the center of your table or whatever. Instead, I'm putting mine on my entrance table because the back's just not hardly as pretty as I would like for it to be. But so I just also took another piece of greenery that I purchased, I believe at Walmart or Dollar Tree, and I cut it also into smaller pieces, and I just filled in to make it a little bit fuller. So wherever you think that it's a little bit thin, just stick a piece of greenery in, and this is how it looks when it's finished. I think it turned out really cute. I really like the flower pot, and I like the spring colors. This spring floral arrangement cost me less than $20 to make. In the comment section below, I would love to hear what you're working on now that we're all staying at home. If you like this Dollar Tree floral arrangement, please give me a thumbs up and share. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video on the right.